Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word unkind. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She made an unkind comment about his appearance, causing him to feel hurt and self-conscious. Unkind means showing a lack of sympathy or compassion, often causing emotional pain or distress to others through thoughtless or hurtful words or actions. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.